the angle of the mask. Once Transpose Smart Mask is activated, click on Alpha to activate the purchased or your custom mask. If you want to understand more about using Transpose Smart Mask, click on the link on the top right to watch the video dedicated specifically for this brush. Click on Transform tab and activate Symmetry. Turn off X Symmetry and turn on Y Symmetry. Radial count, any number between 16 to 21. Zoom in by holding down Ctrl, right click and move right. Apply Transpose Smart Mask. Ctrl, click and drag downwards. Press spacebar to move the position of the mask. Adjust the angle by pivoting to the left or right. And let's fill in the center of the mask too. Holding down Ctrl, change the stroke to circle. Press X to turn off symmetry and apply the circle mask. Press spacebar to move it. Finally, press Ctrl or Command W to polygrip it.